Anna Maria Island, you can see is still in pretty good shape here. Just went horse surfing in Bradenton. Now I just had a lovely lunch out here. Decided, of course, to get some sand between my toes on lovely Anna Maria Island. Uh-oh. I love this place. This is Paul looking very angry because he's afraid I'm going to ruin the camera.
Give me that camera.
Check this out. This rocks like a horse. Is this not incredible? Yeah, come to Anna Maria Island.